Today is the 4th, and Nikki is 3.5 years old, and Kimberly is, how old are you, Kimberly? Almost 2. Next month, can you show me 2 fingers, Kimberly?
1.
Now, you want to dance? Okay, let Mama turn on the music. Next month, can you show me 2 fingers, Kimberly?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3. Nikki's showing 2 fingers. Good. Do you want to do a dance now? You want to dance? Okay, let Mama turn on the music. And then you two can be dancing.
The lights.
The light's on. That means that it's working.
I'm one happy girl.
You do your ballet dance. Very nice.
I count the hours till I'm here with you. When you count to number 3, I'm in heaven, can't you see? Darling, you can count on me. Count on me. You can always count on me. I'm your number 1 forever. That's as close as to be. If you need friend before you count to 3, I'll be
Dance together. Kimberly, dance with Nikki. A little bit ballet. Dance together, ballet.
I can see us
Dance
now,
ballet with Nikki.
just me and you.
Do dance, pretty dance.
In a little castle that was
You're dancing?
for 2.
And we'd spend each night and day.
Do twirls. Kimberly, let's see your twirl. Oh, very good.
Well, we'll count the
Very nice, Kimberly. Good girl.
And every phone call till the morning's light.
When you take me in your arms, hide up your many charms.
You can always count.
Okay, how about some fat?
And a good old bird.